Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can assign tasks in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, as you probably know, Trello is a work or project management software. You can very easily use it to create lists in which you add cards, which are pretty much whatever you want them to be. They can be either tasks that need doing, they can be documentation about something else, they can even be, in the case of agile development, they can be user stories or epics or such things. And if you want them to be tasks, you can very easily do them. So let me just, make a card here named task 1. And I want to assign it to a member. Now, if I click on the task itself, as you can see, I can add to card here, and I can add a member. Now, my workspace is empty. Well, sans me. I'm the only member of my board and my workspace, so I cannot add anybody else. But if I went into members, I could search the members of my board. I could even use myself, and as you can see, I have added myself into this task, and now that task is, well, allocated to me. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as easy as that. If you want to go a bit further, you can click on the task and then label it something else. All depends on you, but it really doesn't matter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.